Here at Hortulus Farm. I'm ready to go. I've eaten some food, so I got some energy. And the lady's trying to talk me out of coming. She's like, oh, you know it's raining? And I'm like, well, first off, it's not raining now. And look at me. Honey, I'm prepared. I told her, I was like, listen, I got rain boots and a jacket. I'm good. So let me go get checked in. I'm going to get membership so that way I can have unlimited visits, because I'm probably going to come here a bunch of times and that's going to get pricey. So babe has to lose some money with this, but I'm not going to tell them that. So I checked in and the peonies, wow. I mean, they're a little battered because of the rain, but man, wow-wee. You know, I could have come next weekend, but next weekend is the flower show. And if I waited till the weekend after, I probably wouldn't have seen anything. It probably would have been over. But yeah, let me flip the camera around. Okay guys, here I go down the steps into the garden. I love this section. Alright, I'll see you guys later. So guys, first thing I noticed is that, where is that gazebo thing on the water? That's gone. Maybe it's being repaired. But you can see the piers, but there's nothing over there. There are the swans, which I'm staying away from. And this is the owner's backyard. It's really interesting seeing all this now, having read the book and learning about how they created everything. Because that pond, I don't believe, from what I remember, wasn't actually there. That was something that they created by damming some of the water from like down here. Kind of like, I really like how they have those plants in the middle. I don't know what type of yellow plant that is down there, but it's kind of cool. It's like a spillway. Not gonna get too close. Do not want to drop my phone. Something smells really nice. Oh, maybe it's that. I think it's honeysuckle. Oops. All the ducks are out. Let me see if I can do this without scaring them or get attacked. Excuse me. Ooh. He looks sad without his Sheffield pink chrysanthemum. I think that's them right there. Wow, it's amazing how small they are in the spring. Okay, so this is the cutting round. Those look like, those are cosmos. Those, is that salvia maybe? And that is echinacea. And I'm not sure what these guys are yet. Are they maybe dahlias? And those, I think, are zinnias right there. Huh, so that's what it looks like when it's empty. And there are all the birdies. This is the French garden. You come up here. So, like, I'm the only person out here right now, so I nearly got scared to death if somebody walked around a corner and I didn't see them. So this is the French garden. This is the parterre one. So there's the hydrangeas. They're not blooming yet. I'll have to come back and see that. And now that I have my membership, I certainly will. So here is this, which is empty. That's salvia, definitely. Huh. Interesting. It's a lot of green, not a lot of color. I'm gonna have to ask them what type of shrubs these are, though. That's really curious about that. And that's the Eiffel Tower. No. Is that catnip? You know, maybe it's, I think it's catnip, not salvia. Huh, interesting. I think my parterre garden will be a lot more colorful. A lot more. Okay. So some of these shrubs are definitely a lot more grown in than the last time I was here. It's not like I had to come in a different entrance because it was so overgrown. So I'm going to go out this way. So that's a fig tree. It's interesting. So they put it in a pot in the ground. I guess they must take it inside. I know up here, I think they're like zone, I think they're zone 6A. So it's a little cooler than where I am. Okay, so this is the perennial Borner. It hasn't bloomed yet. Some of the stuff I'm not really sure what it is. Like, for example, I don't know. Is this some sort of sea holly? I don't know. That looks like a giant hooker right there. And I forgot what they said they put in here, but they have the color palette pretty sedate. A little too sedate for my liking, but I don't have to live here, so. Okay, that's a rose bush. Ooh, what is this? I'm gonna have to take a picture and ask them that. That's really pretty. I cannot wait till my peonies are that size. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so this is the summer border, but of course nothing is blooming yet. That's okay. So I'm going to go into the specimen tree section, and this time I won't get lost. Okay guys, alright guys, this is the Mediterranean garden. This is the one I got lost trying to find last year. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's catnip, and I don't know what that is back there. It smells very nice here. Okay, and so over there is that meadow I was walking in. That's called the Lajewski Meadow, per their book. They have some roses. They're kind of small. I don't know, it wouldn't seem like this area gets enough sun for roses. Just maybe why they're still so small. And you guys know I love a good fountain. So last time I was here, this was not turned on. So it's a nice cool fountain. And this little bird kind of like it's drinking off of it. Yeah, this entire meadow is a lot more green. Last year, by the time I came, it was all spent. So hey guys, I'm at the back fence of the property. I'm pretty sure that's their land over there too, because this entire thing is 100 acres. So I'm gonna go look through that. Oh, so there's a lot of walking paths back here. It's much easier to see right now because I think it's freshly mown. So it's just a structure. It's just sitting there. Oh, if it goes down there, I ain't going down there though. I feel it's starting to drizzle, so let me get my hood up. Okay guys, so there's this long lane that went to what appeared to be nowhere. I never walked down here the last time I came. As you can see, there's like a topiary down there, so I think it's part of the Lajewski Meadow. But there's a fork down here, which I did not see the last time. So I'm gonna go down here, see what this is all about. I'm definitely seeing a lot more this time around because everything has not filled in. Okay, it's bringing me back to that topiary over there. I know hiking through the rain is not most people's idea of fun, but I'm really enjoying myself. It's very quiet out here. Nobody's here. Oh, you know what? Last time I was here, somebody was sitting here, so I couldn't go out and see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask them what happened to the little pier that was over there. Okay, so I'm gonna go up there. What is this? I'm sure. Let me see if this has a fragrance. Oh, it does have a fragrance. I'll take a picture of it. Hey, look guys, it's the Hobbit Bridge. Yay, I was looking for this. It's like my favorite bridge in the whole wide world. Last time I here, it was really hot, so the water was low, so you couldn't hear all this water sound. Oh, you know, I never did figure out what this tree was. These big leaves. See if I can take a picture of one of them. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm just gonna walk back this way now. Ooh. Okay, so the water's really picking up, so kind of glad I'm in the trees, because that way I'm not getting rained on. Hey guys, look what I got. 30 peonies, $1.50 each. Y'all hit up Hortulus Farm, okay?